Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you a still water bottle. So how will you draw that? I am going to show you all the details. Here I am using 2B pencil. First you have to draw two standing lines. This is the height of the bottle. So just two standing lines, and in between these two standing lines I have taken 4 fingers distance. For me it's a 4 finger. If you are a small kid, so you have to take 5 fingers distance. Now the down portion you have to join with a downward curve line. Here I am just going to draw the neck of the bottle. For this, from the left side you have to draw right side slight curve line, and right side you have to do left side slight curve line. Then the neck part you have to join with the again downward curve. Here also you have to join with the downward curved line. Now two standing lines you have to draw. Then connect these two standing lines with the curve line. The upper portion you have to join with the curve line again. Okay, so this is the basic bottle shape. I am using here the same pencil, which is 2B. Hold the pencil's back part properly like this manner and use the side part of the lid to give the shade. If you use like this manner, so your shading will be very proper, and when you blend the graphite, it will be very nicely smoothly you can blend it. So this is the posture to hold your pencil and just give the shade. Though this is 2B pencil, so you can see, as you can see over here, very light gray shade we are getting from 2B pencil. Now same pencil, just turn the page and use the side part of the lid, then give the shade on the opposite side. Now you have to give the shade in the neck part also, on this part. After that you can use a makeup brush to blend this graphite. Otherwise, if you don't have makeup brush, you can use tissue paper, cotton bud or paper stump for blending the graphite. If you don't have anything, you can also use your finger. Normally we are using the index finger because we can give the pressure properly with this finger. So you can use the index finger. So though you are the small kid, if you are feeling some problem to rub your finger on paper, you can use tissue paper instead of your finger. Now just give the shade on the neck part of the bottle. Here, as you can see, I am just giving light shade and blend with your finger. Now come to the bottleneck. Here also same manner, starting from left side, then from right side, middle portion will be light. So we are just creating the value dark, medium and light to give the shade. Again, all the portions please use your finger and just blend it. Now this is the shadow of the bottle. Light is coming through left side, so I have added the shadow. Definitely it will be on right side. So this is your first shadow portion. First I will complete this shadow part, first layer with the 2B pencil. Only just use the side part of the lid and spread the color of the graphite. Then similarly you have to blend this with your finger. Now I am using 7B pencil. If you don't have 7B, you can use the 6B pencil. So with this pencil also same shading I will repeat again. So left side, blend with your finger. Now right side. So now I'm just doing the shadow portion. Now here 7B pencil only I'm using for giving the dark shade. This is the second layer of the shadow. So I will come do up to the middle portion of the shadow area. Here I am using paper stump or paper blender for blending. So because my hand is paining now, I have rubbed too much, so I'm just feeling irritation in my finger. So that's why I have used paper blender. Now bit more shading, more dark value I will add on the cap part also. Now I am using 10B pencil. If you have 10B pencil, you can use this. Otherwise, please repeat the same pencil, which is 8B pencil. Means previously I told you if you don't have 7B, you can use 6B. And then after this, here I am using 10B, you can use 8B instead of 6B. So now this is more dark pencil. Just apply the color in the down portion. This much area only I will cover with this dark pencil. Blend the portion with the blender. When you are applying the blender, try to do the circularism strokes. Now, just define the bottle cap down portion with the dark shade. This is the joining part of the bottle cap and the bottleneck. So here, after that, please blend the color like this manner. Now just define the cap part also in this manner. If you like this tutorial video for the beginners, please hit the like button, and if you want this kind of videos more, please comment me below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.